Hello kids! Today we are going on a world tour to see some famous landmarks and monuments. Are you ready? Let's explore the world together. First stop,
Eiffel Tower, France.
France. This is the Eiffel Tower in Paris. It is a very tall iron tower. Millions of people visit it every year. It sparkles with beautiful lights at night. Next stop,
Statue of Liberty, USA.
New York City in the United States. This is the Statue of Liberty. She holds a torch high in the sky. The statue is a symbol of freedom and hope. Now let's visit India.
Taj Mahal, India.
This beautiful white monument is the Taj Mahal in Agra. It was built by a king for his queen. It is one of the most beautiful buildings in the world. Next stop,
Great Wall of China, China.
this is the Great Wall of China. It is one of the longest walls in the world. It stretches over mountains and hills. Now we go to Rome, Italy.
Colosseum, Italy.
This is the Colosseum. A long time ago, people watched games and shows here. It is more than 2,000 years old. Next stop,
Christ the Redeemer, Brazil.
this giant statue is Christ the Redeemer in Rio de Janeiro. It stands on a tall mountain, with arms open wide. Our last stop,
Pyramids of Giza, Egypt.
these are the Great Pyramid of Giza. They were built thousands of years ago. They are one of the oldest wonders of the world. We traveled around the world and saw amazing landmarks and monuments. See you in the next adventure.